the Fishermall. We're here at the Fishermall near Navotas, and it's packed. It is packed here, and there's a big wait. There's always a big wait here in Navotas. This is like probably one of the most quietest shopping malls you would want to find, and one of the best places to meet up with somebody. If you really want to meet somebody up here, this is where you go. It's like very, very quaint, quiet. Probably one of the most quietest malls I've ever been in. All right, so we're at this Korean place in Malabon. It looks like we're in Malabon.
Okay.
Paano ma-order?
Hindi po sila ng apat na flavor.
All you can eat all the time.
Apo, hindi naman po natin. Pili lang po sila ng apat.
Apat na meat?
Apo, pag naubos po, another four po.
Oh, okay.
So it's all you can. Let's take a look at it.
Only,
Huh?
you can order four the first time, and then when that's done, you put in
One at a time. I got you, yeah. All right. All right. All right. So we're cooking it up there. Really cooking up the barbecue beef. How's it going, all right? You cooking it good?
Yeah!
Yeah. It's good, right? We're doing good. All right, so I got the meat cooking. I got the butter in there. I keep putting the butter on the grill so that it gets cooked. I got the onions mixed in, and they're cooking that. I'm cooking these chickens. They're warming up to it. Got a little like gravy or something that's on there. Putting that out there. I'm gonna try sticking some of that gravy on top of this and some butter. It's really cooking away here. So the last time I saw these ladies, was 35 years ago, and I was by the sewing machine. Right? Sewing machines? 35 years ago. Wow.
2 years ago.
I didn't have a camera back then. So we're cooking up the storm here. I'm doing the barbecue. I like this thing to be a little hotter, but it's alright. I'm getting there. We got our chicken. I'm trying to like fry the chicken here. It's like